Madam. My name is Janet Bengan Bagilan, 24 years old, married. I have 2 children. I am undergraduate in Hotel and Restaurant Management.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Janet. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, Madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
By hardworking, patient, and honest, sir, Madam.
So how will you avoid your homesickness?
I will focus myself in my work, sir, Madam.
So can you tell me how to take care of disabled person?
By taking vitamins, medicines of needed, good nutritious food, and love them as my own parents.
So what if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
Sir, Madam, I will say sorry and I promise not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, Madam, please hire me because I need this job for my family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Janet, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, Madam.